Hello guys, welcome back to my another video. Today first question. Which country is now as the land of the midnight sun? Option A, Norway is right answer. Question number 2. Who is the largest bird in the world? Option B, ostrich is right answer. Question number 3. What is the capital of South Africa? Option C, Pretoria is right answer. Question number 4. Who is the author of the Harry Potter series of books? Option A, J.K. Rowling is right answer. Question number 5. What is the currency of Switzerland? Option B, Swiss francs is right answer. Question number 6. Who invented the light bulb? Option A, Thomas Edison is right answer. Question number 7. Who invented the steam engine? Option A, James Watt is right answer. Question number 8. Who invented the computer? Option A, Charles Babbage is right answer. Question number 9. Who invented the internet? Option A, Tim Berners-Lee, it's right answer. Question number 10. Who invented the printing press? Option A, Johannes Gutenberg is right answer. Hello guys, please like this video and subscribe this channel. Thanks for all.